Vacations are for relaxation and fun. They are a time to recharge. But it's easy to lose track of your health goals. You've worked hard. Don't undo all your progress. Staying active and eating well on vacation has many benefits. You'll feel lighter and more energized. You'll avoid that sluggish feeling after overindulging. And you'll return home feeling refreshed, not regretful. Remember, vacation is about treating your body well, inside and out. Choose to maintain your well-being. It will make your vacation even more enjoyable. Vacations present unique challenges. Buffets overflowing with tempting treats, limited access to healthy food options, disruptions to your regular routine. Travel itself can be tiring. Long flights, unfamiliar surroundings, and jet lag can disrupt sleep and eating patterns. It's easy to fall back on old habits. You might skip workouts and reach for unhealthy snacks. Don't be discouraged. These challenges are surmountable. With a bit of planning and the right mindset, you can stay on track. Your health goals don't have to take a vacation. The key to maintaining your routine is preparation. Pack healthy snacks for the journey. Research local restaurants with healthy options. Look for accommodations with kitchens. Plan activities that involve movement. Hiking, swimming, or exploring a new city on foot are great ways to stay active. Pack resistance bands for quick workouts in your room. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. A little preparation goes a long way in staying healthy on vacation. Eating out is a big part of vacation, but it doesn't have to mean derailing your diet. Check menus online before you go. Choose grilled or baked dishes over fried options. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications. Request your dressing on the side. Ask for extra vegetables instead of fries. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate. Staying active doesn't require a gym. Explore your surroundings on foot. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Turn sightseeing into a workout. Hunger can strike at any time, especially when you're on the go. Packing healthy snacks prevents impulsive, unhealthy choices. Nuts, seeds, and protein bars are great options. Fruit is a refreshing and hydrating snack. Pack a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you can. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in warmer climates. Remember, having healthy snacks readily available sets you up for success. It keeps your energy levels stable and prevents overeating at meals. Real-life victories, inspiration from fellow travelers. You're not alone in this. Many people successfully maintain their routines on vacation. Take inspiration from their stories. One traveler committed to running every morning, even in new cities. It helped her explore and start her day positively. Another traveler packed a jump rope and resistance bands for quick workouts in his hotel room. These stories prove that it's possible. With determination and creativity, you can enjoy your vacation and stay committed to your health goals. Embracing flexibility. It's okay to indulge occasionally. Vacation is a time for enjoyment. Don't be afraid to indulge occasionally. Have that delicious meal or that scoop of ice cream. The key is moderation. One indulgent meal won't undo your progress. Enjoy it without guilt, then return to your healthy habits. Remember, it's about balance, not deprivation. Vacation is about creating positive memories. Don't let strict rules overshadow the joy of experiencing new things. Remember your why, the bigger picture of vacation wellness. Why did you start your health journey? Was it to feel more energetic, to improve your overall health? Keep that why in mind. Vacation is a part of life, and your health goals should enhance your life, not restrict it. View your routine as a way to maximize your vacation enjoyment. When you feel tempted to stray, remind yourself of the bigger picture. You'll return home feeling refreshed and proud of yourself. Vacation wellness, your passport to lasting health and happiness. Maintaining your routine on vacation is a powerful act of self-care. It demonstrates commitment to your well-being. It allows you to fully enjoy your vacation without regrets. Remember, small choices make a big difference. Pack healthy snacks, stay active, and enjoy those occasional treats in moderation. You've got this. Make your vacation a celebration of your commitment to a healthier, happier you. Bon voyage.